How are you doing today? Welcome to a new sunshiny blue sky day here by the sea. Unity is what's happening now. Unity is what is coming out of this. Unity, as you could see, unity is what we're doing. You see, this event is bringing everybody at the same level. Everybody is waiting, queuing at the supermarket to get groceries and food. Everybody is in their homes, regardless of the social status or how much money they have. Everybody is now realizing that we're no better than anyone else. No one is better than anyone else. And no one is higher or lower. These differences that we were having before, they are dissolving. Same as the viruses right now. The panic that's being created actually had the opposite results because we had time to reflect on our lives. We had time to be together as families and as communities. We're now close. We're now giving support to each other. We're now asking others how they're doing. We're giving support to the homeless. We're giving support to the weak. We're giving support to the people who need it the most, and we are realizing that we all need each other. I need you and you need me, and we all need the person next to us. I need this bus passing now because it's making me realize that my voice has to stand up a little. We need each other, and this pandemic, this panic event, whatever you want to call it, is making us see that we're all the same, but when we are in unity, we can realize anything. We're not taking this equality anymore. We're not buying into the fear projects anymore. We're not buying into the we have to follow like sheeps. Now we're rising up. Now we're rising all at the same level, but at the same time we're all rising our frequencies, our vibration, our beings. We're not accepting orders in plain face anymore. We're not accepting commands anymore. And we're like, I know what I need in my life. I need my family, my friends. I need fruits and vegetables. That's what I need. These are the things that matter. My community, the people next to me, and those are the people that I support and choose to be together with. Nobody else. There's no time for listening to the country's agenda, to the state agenda, spreading fear. Now we're together. And there's nothing that can beat us now. Let's see what happens.